What were you doing?
Jumping. Do it. Come on.
I'm hungry though, I can't jump.
Make it.
My stomach hurts. It's like you just shit your pants.
Oh.
Ew. Well, excuse me. What do you two think you're doing? Now that right there is some gay love. That is you're a faggot. You're both faggots. Hey, look, it's me.
He's licking his balls.
It was very interesting that
No, I'm just video.
Twitter and Facebook and
Faggot. Look, he's getting pissed. He's about to roll out on me. He's like, don't you fuck with me, faggot.
Okay.
What kind of girl talk to you?
No, seriously, you're recording this. It's not okay.
We're cool.
Oh my god.
I want McDonald's. Oh, hi, Snow Dog. Come here, Snowflake. Snowflake. This dog's Snowflake.
No, it's not Snowflake, it's Bunny.
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 I want to name it Cantaloupe. Come here, Cantaloupe.
Names are Twinkie and Marshmallow.
Okay.
It looks like a cantaloupe.
Dad just told the funniest. Well, it wasn't really a joke, but he was being serious. I walked into the kitchen. I said, "What are you doing with brownies?"
Squirt.
Okay.
Squirt. Squirt.
It was hilarious.
Come here, Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe, come here. Come here, Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. No, it's Cantaloupe and Nigger. Custard Cantaloupe. Custard Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
And those two are faggots.
So that's sort of so much fun.
Yeah, don't care.
Look at a clip right now. Okay. So
Perfect.
one of them is of myself and
Hi, faggot.
Carrie Underwood.
I can say that now.
But let me just say